Welcome to Food and Remedy. Today we are making side dish for chapati using horse gram and palak or spinach. Ingredients are 3/4 cup of horse gram, big bunch of spinach, wash and keep it ready, 1 inch fresh ginger, around 4 green chilies, 4 big or 6 to 8 small cloves of garlic, half teaspoon coriander seeds, half teaspoon jeera or cumin seeds, a teaspoon of rock salt or salt to taste, juice of lemon or lime to taste. First, we have to wash this horse gram thoroughly and then pressure cook this with 2 cups of water on medium heat. Turn off the heat after 7 to 8 whistles. The horse gram should be well cooked. Once the cooker is cooled completely, transfer the water from this cooked horse gram to a bowl and reserve this water for later use. Now heat 2 teaspoons of cooking oil in a pan. Add jeera, fry it, and then add coriander seeds. Fry it for a few seconds. Add chopped ginger and garlic. Fry it until the garlic turns golden brown. Once the garlics are turned golden brown now, add the cut green chilies. Fry it for a few seconds. Now add chopped spinach. Mix it well and let it cook. Now the spinach is cooked well. Turn off the heat and let it cool. Now this masala is cooled completely. Grind this along with the reserved water from the cooked horse gram to a fine paste. Transfer it to a pan and add some water to the mixer jar. Add that as well. Add salt. Add the cooked horse gram. Mix it well. Keep this on the stove on medium heat and let it boil. We have to add water if needed for the desired consistency. Whenever we are using the water, make sure use this reserved water from the cooked dal. It has been boiling from past 5 to 6 minutes and now the dal is ready. The consistency should be like this. Turn off the heat and add lemon or lime juice to your taste. Mix it and serve this with rotis, chapatis and rice as well. I hope you enjoy making this spinach horse gram dal. For more recipes, visit our website and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.